uri kubwatia nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Yake mo mwancho mo ligelia wensoko tivyandon sinanda sogen kubwa timirubirito amano litangina sogo chora ensoko tv muno boro sobo mugusi aiga no to korosira na to kumanyana mo no kubwatikana no botugi ao na boigo ebitungeti obolemi no botugi anene mono wechombe na boigo chingoko na kere kemo kele mwancho mo ligelia na boigo obolemi bwemeli ao kurinde mwancho mo ligelia eiketo ni otonya ko to sangana mono igoro echombe ne chombe chiga kero chitugire ingoso kitire osengo kachire eske yego mwancho murigelia nkyura kole nyakoboge okonya otutika koyira mugondo onyakobogo kubekere bimeli byao otutika koyira mugondo nyakobogo kubekere kinsega cyao ekinaindikire ndagira yecyombe inki anene mono eske yegera okonye anene mono ase enka yawo gabwasore karibu sana ndo chikomanya anene mono kubwatikana nokorosia biogas yo avonge bakora amatuka yiga iyo konyakoba bakwigendera namono asiminemo yawe yakira lituko asokoro sindagira nabwigo utumika ase okororera asikinga cyabo aigana sensemo yetoneme yebunge ya West Mugirange County Nyamira natwalingina muri mito 88 Samuel Sato nyakoba gutumanya namono natukite cyombe kinyinge na SK gatikobeka nacyako yetumika akarosi biogas yara chikotamanya namono yekorera ikikia musukumete akachaka anemono asi okorocha biogas yiga tumuricho likuria rero nchini ngoro kwa petual machini karibu sana tusangana muri mito Samuel Sato kuchakira bonega wika umoja mwalimu karibu sana
asante
ande tumenya iganga itole ande tusangeli mulioka kubwatikana lindochega libatiri nene timaitinga libatiri ganeli gasi
komanyore
nandingi kwalira wasireti mwancho murigire urige tukurwari naro singana mono kikigo seke kabekire gaiga timu nendo cyo kigoro kigale korose bandu bakale kuruga gaiga mutumanyango manyo murigireja ngaitole nande ndi wachalitana nomono komanyegoro yebagati
mbia mono je no mwalimu Samuel Sato aiga West Mugirango no whatever exactly Bogichora Ward, ere ya Nyamira County, Nyamiru sublocation, kera location. Igo karibu sana. Aso kumanya igoro ye biogas. So, timati ko senko gendra kweresa.
Tutra kaso kweresa. Eikieta, tuanya kwa tukulilia na mwana chombutu kiti kumene isano.
Yes.
Nande ikulia ndagira sana.
Yes.
Namazina chombe sikuli ndagira na sikubeki.
Yes.
Biogas ya one eske chombo korosiri gose ni
biogas ye piwalines ke ye chombe. Ke chombe piwalinere tokorosi biogas. And then from there yagenda mugondo buno yeah.
Ndi kwacha gete korosi biogas. Pero tiete ngombe ye mo
bueno na chagete ngombe that was somewhere 1998 somewhere there ba bueno na chagete ka ngomba kamo na chagete ne biogas odo njarenge ko produce yesikere enough yeah lakini bono bueno na menta chombe now we have a biogas enough in the kitchen.
Igo biogas yo
gas erena
tuche ase ngone dil spriarero
yes
yo okorosi biogas na ndendi kwa yerositi an namoro mnejiga etugusanga namono kili kwarosinga biogas ne chikunya kwa onkonya ogatebanga esting korosi igo asyo mechiana ne ninge ndosi biogas mo kwarosi ya ne
yen Nanyarosito 1998. 1998. Although njarenge very functional yamna na liritua kwane wiki area because chome charenge chinka. Gas ama eske yango so manenke ya produce gas almost yango tuene bakorosi ya breakfast. But with time unachombe cha increase, we have now enough biomass.
The process of crossing biogas. So for your city, go say there are some people who are negative about.
Experts. Experts. So mungwana nalo kwa Evans, bawera aligasore. At Trinity National Youth Service is mangana masonry and these things. And then wakaiwana no mungwano ndo ngoro kwa Mr. Late Olenge livestock officer. Now one konya to come up with this biogas. Yeah.
Nkikwaga nili. But then
cross biogas, what is needed is the bricks, and then we need the mochanga, we need the cement, we need the pipe in chisita, and then we need the tangi ya mabati ya welding. Then the welder can make. Then from
igobono ibati eliga umuntu murigero yegere enerega
ibati ndirigasi ime no exactly no ere one ye koro kwe gas holder neye yagajere bricks ne yo yagajere bune nyungo. You can look at this diagram. Ne abwe sote no eterete ye baljoti yere ngalenze ngoja igora ere nyerere nzere ngale and then go jinsere 11 feet ebonere korukwe digester yagajera matabori imeka manya matabori chi leya ibere nalieta ataguke imeka manya wakwe rough cast rough te when te koba smooth because those bacteria chigo digest cha produce gas korku methane no chiwene ta kohanka so that cha produce cha digest gas cha produce gas.
Tugete diagram yega.
Yes.
Na ino mwalimu. Mwanafunzi somo ndo tete kuchake biogas yega. Whatever chombe nchira ali SK ya chiro. Tete wantu lige ligoro ye diagram yega. You erbo nune
enchara yega siere. Exactly.
Biogas yega.
Exactly.
Tuere rango nimono mwancho muligere uligereti.
No. Kurwa se chombe.
Wojaiga mpaka tucho crossing gas. Tutareka chokoni. Korana kigasi yoyo kinade wokero siriwo.
Bono muna tuateva biogas plant ye yere yagajire konusubune nyungo. Ere ngale sana which is 11 feet. Arabu igora kamanya gutiri kubone se tangiye yesoerete ye nere yetire tega tangiye bone ere holo egento kenye konyo tene chumeye
yechume
chetense ekamanya koba welded igasamberi uwa bone samberiga arabu achumangara kanyere gatire teyeme bone ye na bekorotate itikanorotate tatikabone bwatira sigete na bekorotate itikanorotate eske goikerusiwe manya ko ba free korotate
ibona
bekunya gonjukana bone ere suspended te bwatiriande bono tubwati kurwase chombe bana ritu atebete every morning wikato sivi naende karotogo sivi bono gaga you avoid ebintu buna chi sabuni ebintu buna gosibi chombe na marioga magecha maria because aiche gaiga yagoita agoita the bacteria chirichigo digest ye sike bono kere kururaria gosoera abo ekorwaria yasoaga ta kurwe unit twasibia basama abune liquid yaiche tangi yero korao
nere ya mali
ne unit ye ne unit ye ya mwino so aikara ya achiravo ya soama igabona ganta kuru chimuna na kangoro is a check point in case kera teacher ya manya go so abona we may come to the diagram ya soera this is the inlet
warusiri eyundi yao
Yeah.
kiri kwa burukania maji.
Yes, kwa burukania maji. Na maji kwa burukania almost a half. A half esike, a half a maji. Awe ebendi tote ebe ngomono na teba maji busa. So, pipe nera abone konyereta pakama. Kera ya chirema, toro chinere ya tanganete.
Mani gabon.
Mani inse ye brick. Siketeli ko kunoro. Ane gazi yoka. Digesta bono. Rinse. Bone pipe ya nyereta sa. Ekero ya nyeretire. Toro chie sikenere to igorire teli tanganele the other day. Bone yengo nyakabere digested. Mune ko nyakaba digested ego sink. Ye koira nanse.
Bono.
Eye ya icha yani yanye displace. Ya displace yeye ya sokera. Outlet bono. Liere moina bono. Meto sana nyarochi. Ngonya lierte. Ya sokera. Bone kare sokera. Eye bono ya ije fresh. Nera ya chaka kwa digested. Ya chaka kwa digested.
Elia kore gosoka.
Ya gosoka. Naende gosoka yoka.
Yanya kwa digested. Bone
goso, it is like this thing is made in a way. Oje jibirika chirija kale to kanywerere cha. Nebo atali so gotaere cha. Uno konya kobeke cha korwari so munwa. Uneyo cha ego ichora konya terete mbele cha konya goitaka gochia senkonya. Akamunukalia. Ne exactly na bego. The siko come karionyen 20 liters ya gosoa maiga. Onyen 20 liters. The 20 liters ya kwa displaced yali enkoro.
Ono mnachombe chirisi ninge gatasaraga ntakuligerelia iga kera lituko lingo sibiuli.
Yes.
Unique.
Yes.
Eske ya chaga.
Yes.
Ngupi moleke wangu.
You don't because one or two analyze the amount of water to civil into manyetenga chindo irenga ne sikento made the amount ya soiroro one we don't na inde krato ko burukania na bokoranga yali toire onye yabeire ndito mono we tunachota maji tunaongeza tuamenta onye yabeire ngo kabisa tokonye tige sikende yage goichora twaje twabeka.
Wow.
So we can see nga yabeire by the look because of the experience we have now. Kuangalia hivi tu unaona hii imekuwa.
So there's a time mwega usisikie yake kwa nyingi maasi digest
tell cover nyingi because yakaba displaced an amount if it is 20 liters 20 liters out 20 liters in 20 liters out
na wengi genda keltu asome
it is adjusted in a way
buna kwa year naende na wewa
so the one you give.
So egasi iganga kibono para kwa manyanga egasi
bono ekero ya soire maiga. They say ekaba digested by some living things, living microorganisms. Let us call them bacteria. Bacteria jibono chigo digest gas ye mamutungi oyo bricks. E digester. Yaso ki gas e korku methane. Methane is flammable. E walker. Bone karachi anye digestiri e gas ye bone ego tira yaso mutungi oyo imebo.
Okay.
Bono nere ye gas ye mutungi.
Igo bono ne.
Oh no, the most sophisticated babwate gauge. Mbale babwate gauge, babegite gauge bagupima. Nge gas nero imenyi nge what amount. Lakini bono nje timbwate gauge kiane neki. The more gas ye koba ime, the more mutungi oyo koimuka. Yeah, that is why.
So meaning ye gas ye gakrea bire kola so kuna cha. Ye gas ye krea choire usikerere nyingi mutungi oyo iga ngoye push.
Ego bush. Na kwenye bush, otherwise that's what tabegete tile yeye. Kara ya bere nyingi mono we can add some stones.
Unaweka mawe
te soke. Kara ya sokiri naende na woko yuke ya sokera chikando purples na woko purples. Yeah. Yeah. So bono gana bamanyetenga I have enough gas. Kiagere yo naende no chete go chins. So all around here this is the volume of that.
Mwako yo kwaro stegasi giga kwaligere igentire gasi giga ya berege ko konya gose ya berege kia korosia annamono ebintu ao ase kichukuni au tutareka ase chukuni
Yes.
egasi ekerere nyingi tuna inga kiovara
One the problem we have, Tora come up with the storage. Once it is produced, we have to store. The cylinder gas as you stored, you can even transport it. That one we have not come. I don't know whether the technologists by coming up can find out. But one karaya very nyinge we release it to gayanya wasoka. Yaenda sarai. Yeah.
Warura.
Yes.
Wote kwenda outlet kusangana muno yiga ikogenda iri ya rure ganga yego. Ndono te tukurikira namune kasi yiga ya veire egas.
Ya veire gas.
Era tumike ko
koros ya kende nyumba.
Very flammable. Yani eroke. Ikogenda nyumba.
Yeah.
So kurubuga iga usinyumba.
Bono ya rura ma ya chirema. Gente kakijole kwana to ikanse ninta nage suspend so that na kiraro kana. Bone kerego swama igatoro chi mai gas yere. E pipe nere yetire teye. Igasokera pipe yetirete gasokera arawe pipe enyerere ne tirimbogete na era etalindikete tia ne tirimbogete karakanyerere ka eso eteyime egasi yebono kara yaso ire maire torochine tangie yimere igoroga igakangoro nkabachoire ese agachuma echume
asi yonyere bono
eye bone ye asenare bochoire ime igoro kare round iga bone gasi ye gocha yasoere ngore yime na ndi yamanya gutirimbuke chume yue bekire ime yamanya gocha yamanya kogenda to the kitchen.
Okay.
Bone ye gocha trochi yaso bone chume yo chietenze na re gocha yaso keria water trap. Water trap area, in case there is moisture in the gas, eragically me chikoni, one cover attracted na macharia, yagenda kere dry. We call it a water trap.
Yagenda bune
gas one piwa amacharia chikosari. So yamanya kogende pipe all the way up to the chikoni. Yeah.
Wow.
Soronga siobwate chombe nabakorosia, and this is a traditional one. Hii ni ile ya zamani. Kuna new method ya jire less expensive, but amangana efficiency, I should sing a genere efficient kubwa, the ones that charoziwe, because many farmers are complaining because java go sale kachire.
Nowadays, there's a time now in Kurgila, Namana Yebaga, Yigana, Namana Yakerero. There is a current in Iron. Not the mom. Yeah, a guy, a cross. Yeah, Okabacolet is Timonabo, to the tea chomba, where Abacorus is a Tandu, or so no younger ginger, or Chover. Yeah, or gas. That is now the cheapest. Yeah, that is the cheapest. Nabego produce na mabantu mbale bakorosa masakararia manene even big manene kapisa even yabwate gas more than this one elinere cheaper because na masakararia okogora usanga tara sensimeite ya kabere kubotikana namono gas yega nkia okonyire nande inkiora nyako tebyumo anda mulimi usumutigi ogantinere korosi gas bine yega ote nga chingo cha mwasi mwiri mono gas umatenere need efficient.
Yeah.
Mwancho murigelia turagenda sumumenye tukwirana tukinya ka tugusanga no muri mito ga Samuel Sato kuwatikana namono egasi yiga yabeire na kyako tumeka nande iye keke tumekire ikilia rorenga anamono yanyako bage kumukonya nande aye turanyako bago kwene kinga no kustegete na korosi yao usukubeke yao na yego konye tuskare tukirina sense maita kawini tusanga na mangi kuwatikana no korosia we biogas cross sense maita tuskare
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bw'Ensoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambia bono.
Buya kegemo inde aso gutwanchira ko bari yogiritangani kwegure nyumba mwago emambie.
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari incheni Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general sokiri na kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengane
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saidi kurwe binto kurwe makitapa keregendo lakini nkoire ni maega kego omuntu maito ukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
Ubugima n'urugendo rubwa tamange amaya n'amabe umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririye imena isiko yagusi na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera
Nchekera na igore twe unango tebiwa tabona igore tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiko ikemia kasta ngachaka ngo develop ngoira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twali roba wana wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bw'umwenori kiraritukure Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi mirna n'abari b'Kinguru erikwe manyabona wataka kurutsananya cyense Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Yakemo mwanchumo ligile na inde karibu sana sensemo yeto ya kabere tokurire igoro ye biogas crossing semeti gati tono unge ya West Mugrango iyo pro mwaka weliwe mutimikia na 50 ne vere na isana 1998
yeah.
98 makabona izo ainte ko nyati mwa
sana sana
mwaka uyo 98 ile ngawa tumegete crossing biogas
na waya ile about 105,000
ini miaka almost 20 something
yeah
Wira ndiswe sio
ya onye ndina nkogore gas nina nkogore gas na inde another advantage because tokonyoburukani ya soka in the form of a liquid so na reduce the labor because ya maja ya kamanyoka by gravity
again
which mugondo so we don't carry a sikeko for transport every morning we just only tokanda tuwaweka metaro tuwaigorera macha manyoka ime tuwafunika na marawa and that is all so to me na wondo jenga yaira ni especially onye ndina ngotumie gas nkogoro mutungi ori ose chingo za makara it could have been very expensive
yense muchando yego climate change na yego conserve environment usuko lenda bitu tuga bitu etanaine muchando nyaka bako uchandense sana mpaka chipata nchirikale kia linge mpire kutumukero kide nke bega siga yako konyera kwene kinga ebitu etanaine yanyako bikolendwa ase eba wetre bega
one is easy go dispose SKO no SKO ke ko produce it ya onye ndiri kyombe jijire iziko gai sike ko produce it onange environment air polluted nesike But now because togo severely to form in the form of a liquid yaso amogondo, one you cannot realize in a chombe chichacha fuire the compound. You can see the compound is clean. So that is one, it keeps the environment here compound clean. Two, a gas you might nyomba the what is smoke. The teligo pollute the was more. It's like another gas. Three, egasi yevono ya mekirinta ligutumia makara ayuako gera tochi kogeche mete to samba makara kogeche mete trochi twa envoro virie envaro twa interview na environment ye mete energy ntoligotumia kogora the gas your energy we don't use much or otherwise we don't buy. In a way, neto konya to conserve environment because you consume emete you keep the environment kawengi.
Before kibayoga siga na after koros kibayoga siga SKL wanted ya rulega ya chirega na kia kinide igesalia namono maybe kinsiaga uzendagere ichombe na boiko indagerende ya mwanyamanda utume.
Yeah, before biogas, tana karetira wandane juwid baro virus kemogondo. Because here in Konguva somba. In the evening, most of them will go to Mawatanga and Hasiankong. But since you are discovered the flow, bono ya reduce the labor. And after ya reduce the labor, bono na wakoranga jinsi ya kabono by the time we shall go Mogondo na wakora jinsi ya gechire evergreen ne jinsi ya gajingi yoko ajombe njire green tali chire yellow. I don't use money to go and buy fertilizer. So in that way troji and save kokore fertilizer. Ne fertilizer, you know, it also pollutes the environment. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So tualgere jannamono processing ma koras chombe eske ya sibu ya chase tangeli ya chaiga ya chama ya gandainse as a digester ya rosega.
Exactly.
For how long because you maintain this process baka chipai prechiga chikuira ega the kitchen.
Maintenance is very minimal. Once, otherwise, GVS installation is very expensive. But once installed, maintenance is very minimal because pipe one is plastic. Not any problem.
You know plastic.
Plastic.
Wow.
They are there. Plastic. But at but chinyinge chirichigo soki chirichikoleta ne plastic kurwago chinyomba is plastic. So it's not easy unless muntu interview remire onyakire. Another maintenance in the linga etangiye at times konyake erang the black nalieta bose so tate chikobochoka. Another maintenance nearly after some years, let's say 5 years, 10 years, nalio maybe ora harusie sike yonsi pi o chake upya naende okilie naendo chake ekagara nalia kalete gasi nyingi or alternatively ekare gasi yake ireta ligo digest na bokuria rice. What you do molasses yokwenga kwa umora. Molasses want to activate those bacteria to work hard.
Molasses
molasses 120 liters or 40 liters and then it will activate the bacteria to digest it. So or another problem ibu korogora lite burukani buya egote lite rusiri eli onye gote yare korweli yaso na gokonyora ya block rie gas teligo chaga ya genda nsari ya block tangi the whole of this hole ya blocks yaba solid. Yaba solid. Hiyo inakubidi sasa utoa hii gas. Utoa hii tangi. That is wao tubegete metei. Tangi kwenye Russia because yebwatete. Na kare gas yeta yabone komo chikoba vacuum and you know what it means. Kobendi to kubwaterera. Ono wikoria bamura batali bake abeke chingoria aria tonguse bune clean wanguza alafu twamanya gutauri esike nesike konye tauri aro tele machas because bona karaya achirens tele gosokera aria itakubidi sasa uchota exhaust everything
okay 11 feet
mpaka 11 feet tuone karota yeto jaka fresh lakini karaya kwamire no ku exhaust oikarie se mutungi oyo kwa ikire gaiga bono there is no problem eyo ko okurus kurwa baka bono ga
tegere pipe tironye
cyatishire chigorere bas wakerangiye waketangiye erangi mena isiko bas that is the maintenance otherwise tunasahau mambo ya maintenance tomaiti we cannot remember karatwa nye maintenance la
noli ketoma tubanda ndake kubwatikana Dombenchiro ebaga snero na bintu binde usina ibwe ko gale bintu
abantu mbaro bakumbwatse abantu mbaro bakumbwatse se I have abantu bakumbwatse babere except yo morwara meanwhile bono ninche my son now yomo so now bago to watse
krako gisowa krosti baga siga kwanya ko rubio bongo wante biringa tulu tume kankai tulu tume kamakara ega sti ku everything itu kachi siga sinjiro anda siga chiko feel siga ne companies no chima to wood
company je I cannot remember ka to agolete gas la udondo bwa to mutungi nyumba but we rarely use it unless to what the occasion to what abageni abangi alitoko usana lezingo sambenya mana linkulia
makara kwa weka kanyama
aweka kanyama
walgirira namuno yega siga nainde kwanya ko boko rubye bwa embororo whatever yega singale kwa rocha are there support group from the government ya Nyamira maybe kiombekere muri kamugo sira na korosi baga sina ku maintain
no eyero nje na tumi na nyarose tinje yeka nka use those experts ngabakana
so abantu ngo baleke bali kedo
yeah there used to be people coming especially livestock bakaletira abantu but I came to realize ba onjoire ba tabiranga na wando gasi korwelio boiro gasira obwamate bogana cheka you see like this thing I spend my money they even brought the donors yabanyana ko batabinga abando serati gasi so in front of the donors I said no This I made it from my own pocket. Tuachiko korzetu. Banya koyota. I don't come here. Actually, they used to bring avanto korua Left Valley, koru Eldoret. They used to bring avanto avange. Even DC, the former DC Nandasaba used to DC Nandasaba used to come here from Kisumu. The whole of the province.
Commissioner.
They used to come here. Lilitu ango barukawa PC. Nandasaba.
Provincial commissioners.
Provincial commissioners. They used to come here.
Wow. Katara chikoenda sokoni asi kasi kuru yage ando mai tumole minarudi kuru aja mai tenga yente kiyanga ntai tukaranga kies walk.
Yes.
Mai tawange bakaitenga SK kabar nere kwenda ikabona machali wachibokiga trikor tura tebyo mulemi olikiriti na ndo bwate ekerengereli yo korosi bagas na ndo buyapwae egere milioni ga uskorosi nere akoliye
actually mulemi ndo wenzo bwate ngombe onyo to bwate biogas ya wasting scale sana. This one is very important because rikali one no kogenda no switch Yata ya mama ayuko, you can be able to cook rather than eating kogo utago kurualia maisa wali leteburule. But this one is very cheap. You don't input ya onesike yoke. You don't spend their money once kwani install it. Rosi no nyen kariaga ke jakera no nyen kariaga ka kutwata bake kagazi kariaga ke you want kariaga ke abantu bali bakoni chitangi you go to Facebook, you go to where you search, you will get them, you talk to them, they will assist you to come up with the gas. Original rosi gas area across breakfast yoke. You will
1600.
Yeah.
1600
you should have reduced the labor konyago utago karaki. You should have saved the time. You should have saved the environment. So it's easy. It's easy.
Wow.
No to you can have it.
By the way, Zaraka, you're Abana about Meka, Ewi, Ende, Chingoko, Chimboli, Ama
Magomba ya matoke. You can make a bio.
Also to answer the Basong. Chumuligalia, Mito Sato. So they told them the Chuponi, Molimita, Mananga, Anake, Warusi Diske, who will be Chombe, for irretractable digester, Ma, they are very digested, they are very. Chile, as Motungo, Yabuega, Divati, Yera. Achi
Nomba
kitchen. Igano no igano to kwenda kuruga. Mucho muligali. Tara manente egara to kwenda se kitchen to skorra egasi iga robo to go ikaro moiri morburito welch kodiarero ekaro gento sanga manente to kual machino molimito Samuel Satu. Kwa chinse mechiga tie county ya Nyamira. To kwenda manae omoi. Mucho muligali. Wabere tukulia namna igro ebaga siga tuwasanga kuro insema kigase baga siga kroserwa nigo omulemito Samuel Satu na kwa hotevinga ebaga siga wale kutoka chukoni asagocha ubeka macha uruga goso kara kende uyikro kiti nata osingendo mwalimu nara alipondo mayanga siga Manango Kari, Igeren era Chipro, the two Kamacha, Egama Kigo, Egere I can
send it.
Kamacha Ega,
Oh, Naiga, Alianere Kuka, the biogas. Ave como chico canarian de o querende state ya era o no to work que vidite. Yeah. It's done. Pero yo me lo roll right work. Any blue frame or very strong. But atiga te buat shabone liende ekubanga lakini yono after short time akanya maja yangu.
Zenega they walk.
The eyes burning.
They walk
The blue frame.
What did
you Wow. Iko very silent.
Gana woga lim de also no ramacha.
Yeah, macha. Several times I can then you go and get an aveka. I want to get a few minutes earlier, because you were an to carry. So it's a very strong heat.
Nante oke singing there.
Yeah, they got your case. Actually, they were tarufia, they were like another gas, they were tarufia. Now, over here, in the case of any leakage, Telicoranda. Alias ya sokera, unawake kebiriti, yeko wake wangapu.
Yani
Telkolibuka. Tego samba. Ilbuki. Yako era wangu ngakwa. Ilbuki.
mama chomo ligerele
na machi tayari
macha iyo isiro kubera yawanya ndikuruga kanga tu arugire toroti
Joseph Lemu yankarora kanene wetera Joseph kuri
ule maide
eba samba membani
wow
so nabokobeka 42
nabokobeka nyinyi bene bokara aya kubera aya zirega iga mwancho muri na bakurigeranye esike yoncho iroga yabire gasi rugwe baga ma ono kwabekira maje mana ma oruge bona igurage
yokana kuka
mwalimu kira maje yaganya kubera iga inchi yorochenga gasi iga kalbo suraj kina ka ko ne kinga utin tigo che kerero gote mention yang ko para
what traditional I think is very vicious. The only thing improve there are some equipment gas like here we have a current gauge, we have maybe storage, and then we have walk here. Walk boluna chitaji chogata okotumie manto elitwago kiribune pressure ramp so you want to walk abune pressure ramp tell electrical pressure ramp. There is also a engine or a generator a biogas. It can run a chafkata now otumie gas biogas or siaga ne generator you can run a chafkata
so SKR wali endagre ngombe alia ya ndalia ya vegas ya tumeka kwa bokeja
so it's a kind of a circle integrated all of those things are integrated so I think there is many people I think I want to come up with a lot of equipment to assist to improve biogas except engine drag and out like here in the core kuna wazungu wana hizo things. Soon going there find out what equipment babwata chira improve the uses of the gas. Rojono maja to
galende turagere
maja to
wancho moligere ya
maja to
wow mawo ana mazurige na ndo chenga wangoiga na onda je kurat utana chega cheringo chana kana
you have it
na chendo sibaga Manchu moligere na wikaragabo ndaitotara ikiro moja ya sili tukulia rero twasangire no muri mitusta mu sato yo nyara kubaga tuerana mono kurugo chaka korosi boga siga wika korosi gasi yo agutumeka si chukoni ya iga korosi ndakira ayan sipini gukonya nyara sumuro bireito bobori mino butugi kredit jumaine chinsa nibiro wika insa toto usisi biremne merongene na isano asu obunyako bogusanga mange kubotikana noburemi no butugi nibitugete ubutugi noburemi wikiraga bumancho muri tokani liburiga borobya ande wikatromera mbeo chinga kitinde ichego chetusanga enda mange tokani uburyo yobya muri mito Samuel sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Nemona sana susanga nentu na ndento koligi kero kende ega tusanga enda mange na mange maito no mwalimu kweli. Ncho ya mwegeri aho na ndo kwegeri oyo mo sobere. Abondake baranya ko bakoyene kinga bakie kuba timbara terekiao ega nabaro bakone. Ikrao manchu muriale tokane ile burigele kutoba chibinde byonsi wekanale kutotromera na sembeo ili ngoro kwa petua machini endra kwa gokia menso kote